All right, today we're going to take a look at using the Scholastic GO database as part of your National History Day research. So in order to access the Scholastic GO database, we're going to start at the Social Studies Department's website. I'll go ahead and drop this link in the video description as well as the link to Scholastic GO. So to find these databases, what we're going to do is we're going to click on Research tab. We're going to click on West Valley School District Databases and let the page load. So we're going to start with Scholastic GO for this one. Now, if you keep scrolling down on this page, you will find the usernames and logins. The reason I'm not showing them on this video is because it's going to be on the internet and the school district pays for those logins. So I just didn't want to put them out there. So we're going to start first with Scholastic GO. So if we were to click on this or click on the link that's down below here, it would open up Scholastic GO. I've already logged in. So what we're going to do is we're going to search for the Panama Canal because that's my topic this year for History Day. And we will show you how to use this resource. So the nice thing about this database is it sorts things into articles, more information, and websites. So you can click on these options to filter your search results. And the other thing that I like too is that it on the side here, it will pull up some topics that are related to yours that you searched for. It also has some websites that you might be able to use that are outside of Scholastic GO. Some of these might be primary sources. It just depends on when the source was created. So here, though, I can see that it also sorts the results by Lexile level. So that's your reading level. If you know what that is, you can click. My guess is most of you will be between 2 and 3 somewhere, although some of you might be level 4 readers. So I'm just going to filter it out for level 3. So I can see here all the things that have to do with the Panama Canal. So I know from my earlier research that this is one of the builders of the Panama Canal. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. I can see here's an article, a very brief one that describes. There's also some websites that the database will direct me to that have something to do with Ferdinand de Lesseps. So it's very helpful in terms of searching for things that might be related to my topic. They also have some videos and some other things that you can search as well. So this database is nice in general. It has both primary and secondary sources to look at, but there's also a little bit of filtering that you have to do because not all of the search results are going to be related to what you're looking for. So like this is another one of the people that I came across in my research. So these are all things that I could use. I would also offer a word of caution though, if you were to copy this citation here and put it in your bibliography in your Google Docs, it does not record them the way that I taught you, which is covered in another video. So you just have to make sure that you have the right information. If you did want to do this instead of inputting this information manually, just let me know and I will help you sort that out. But very briefly, that's how you use Scholastic GO. If you have any questions about how to use this resource, just shoot me an email.